We made SPAM MUSUBI together as a family, and not one piece survived more than 10 minutes. It's the perfect blend of salty, savory, sweet, and fun to make with the kids. We laid everything out on the table: warm rice, crispy seaweed sheets, SPAM sizzling in soy sugar glaze, and a musubi mold that somehow became the most popular toy of the day. Everyone had a job. One scooped rice, one pressed the SPAM, another quality checked by sneaking bites when they thought we weren't looking. It got messy, sticky hands, rice on the floor, sauce drips everywhere, but the laughter, nonstop. And seeing the kids beam with pride, holding up their perfectly imperfect musubi rolls, that's the good stuff. It's more than just making food. It's about making memories, one nori wrapped bite at a time. Thank you so much for joining us on another Chau Chronicles adventure. If you're new here, we'd love for you to subscribe and stick around. And if you're already part of the fam, thank you for being here. Now enjoy the rest of the video and maybe even make some musubi of your own. Two cups of sushi rice. Thoroughly wash through your rice. Make sure that the water is no longer cloudy. Now that the rice has been washed, you are going to want to add 2 cups of water to the 2 cups of sushi rice and bring it to your rice cooker and start cooking. And now we cut the SPAM. And now we fry the SPAM. Okay, you're gonna put the SPAM facing down. We're gonna cook it until it's brown on one side, flip it to the other side, and it's brown on both sides. For the teriyaki musubi, to make the teriyaki sauce, you will need 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of mirin, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Back to the frying pan. This time we are making the teriyaki SPAM. Now I'm going to pour in some of that teriyaki sauce. Next up, we have our nori. What I like to do is cut between the creases. So first, a traditional SPAM musubi that we will be doing. You'll need to put the nori down in the center and add a scoop of rice. You don't need to press it all the way down, just a little touch with the rice scooper. Just press it softly, gently down. You're gonna want to make room for the SPAM, of course. And then we're going to grab a SPAM. Lightly press that down. What I like to do is just wet one edge of the nori. This is going to help with holding it together once you fold it. Okay, this one has a little teriyaki, why not, right? Okay, this is the final one we'll do today.
Now do we eat it?
Huh?
Do we eat it?
Now you guys can cheers.
Make sure to like and subscribe to our video. Bye!